Hello everyone, today I will show you how to copy text from a PDF file with exact formatting. Open your PDF file with Nitro Pro PDF Editor. Now click on this home option and select this selection down arrow. Now select text and graphic and drag the mouse cursor and select your text. Now press Ctrl C for your keyboard or press right button for your mouse cursor. Select this copy with formatting. See this. Now I'll paste this text here and see this. This text now copy with formatting. Also I'll copy this text with formatting. Click right button and select copy with formatting. Also I'll paste this text this part file and see this. In this we can copy your text with exact formatting. Yeah. Finally, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.